Hello. I hope you're doing fine. I hope you're doing wonderful. I hope you're discoing. I hope you're dancing. I hope you're funking. I hope you're doing fine. I hope you're doing wonderful. This is Gold Brief and GDX. Last video, I predicted gold top, and topped it did. And since that time, I've been playing GDX and Dust, short, long. It has been a beautiful, nice, profitable month. And now this is my view. All right, so this is GDX in the weekly time frame. Unfortunately, it looks like it's topping, like it's doing all the time, high, and the price action like here, lower high in stochastic, also lower high in RSI, and missing the 70 level like every time you have a top. So this is the very long term, and it might change. So we always keep an open mind because we only get paid by positive alpha. Okay, so weekly time frame, GDX is not good. Short time frame, which is the 120-minute time frame, GLD GDX ratio MACD only. Every time the black goes below the red right here, which is bearish MACD, good things happen to GDX, and the opposite is true. Last time black went over the red, which is positive MACD in the GLD GDX ratio, price destruction takes place in GLD right here. And this happened in the past 100% of the time. It does not mean top. It means cash out, wait for a buy signal to take place. And this is definitely a sell signal for GLD, the gold ETF. All right, this is the same thing for GDX. So GLD GDX ratio above and below is GDX price action. And we see the sell signals intact right now. We have a positive MACD in the 120 minutes time frame, which usually result in price destruction in GDX. So even if it doesn't work next time, you take every sell signal seriously. So overall, we looked at the weekly time frame for GDX. It's very toppy, very bearish. We looked at the very short term, the 2-hour time frame, and it's very bearish. Let's look at positive things for GDX. Okay, so this is the weekly time frame for the USD DXY, and we do have a bull trap. Okay, a bull trap. We made a new high, like 2 years high, 3 years high. So boom, and after that we went back down. Yet we still have a positive bullish indicators in the weekly time frame for the DXY. So this is good for gold, bad for USD. So that's why we keep an open mind and see what's going to happen. All right, this is TLT, the ETF for 20 plus bonds. And as I posted this some times ago in my Twitter account or X, TLT showed exhaustion volume right here on November 6th, which means a bottoming process is intact. And that's what we had. We bottomed with using volume analysis. We have the money flow in a positive direction with a positive divergence. Also, we have the RSI doing the same positive divergence, and you miss the 30 level, which means sometimes, and most of the times, a bottom. Okay, that's why it's mixed messages. So now you have in TLT a breakout with 1, 2, 3 reversal and accumulation of volume. Okay, so this is again TLT. So this is the breakout we talked about now. And also we have a bullish disco combo and bullish divergence, which is extremely indicative of a bottom. That's why I said we keep an open mind on gold GDX, because this thing changes everything. This changes everything, and that coincides with the bull trap in DXY. But we still are very weary and suspicious of GDX and gold movement in the next few days because of the 2-hour time frame, GLD GDX. All right. So this is another positive thing for gold and GDX. This is TLT MACD only right here. And every time you have this bad boy doing this bullish action, but this action right here, you have also a positive divergence, which gives more credibility to TLT. So you have bullish MACD, you have price destruction and DXY, and also you have melt up in GDX. That's what happened between November 14th till November 22nd. It's definitely quite a melt up, almost 10%. In fourth trading day, that's why I love GDX and I love these ETFs. Good stuff. So TLT is very positive for gold and negative for DXY. Okay, SLVD ETF for silver. Definitely, we have bullish action. We have a lower high in the price action. We have higher low in the stochastic, and also in the RSI. All we need now is the positive MACD and also a breakout of this action right here. So we need to settle over 28.53. All right, so GDX itself right now. So this is also a thing I did every time. Usually you don't have these stars aligning for GDX, which means you have a positive MACD for GDX, a positive MACD for TLT, and negative MACD for DXY. Usually this results in price expansion of 14%, at least 14% in the past. Okay? But now we have a bearish formation. We have a bear flag forming here in GDX. So maybe like a meltdown for a couple of days, then we go back up. That's why we keep an open mind. And please like, if you like, share, subscribe, and do remember, Disco is forever.